This is our Espresso shaker North American frame style cabinet. The doors have a semi-full overlay and are made of 100% solid birch wood. You can tell just by looking at the back side of the center panel. The doors themselves have 3-inch rails and stiles and soft close hinges, and the whole cabinet is finished in a dark espresso stain finish. The slab drawer fronts are also semi-full overlay and made of 100% solid birch wood. The drawer box itself is made of 5/8 of an inch thick solid wood and has a dovetail construction. And underneath there are undermount soft closing drawer guides. The cabinet box is constructed with L-shaped metal bracket hardware, which means that you can't see any of the hardware that you use to construct the cabinet once the cabinet is all put together. This is also one of the rare styles where the interior and exterior of the cabinet have matching finished colors, and the base, wall, and tall cabinets all come with 3/4 inch, slightly less than full depth adjustable shelves.